Happy morning everyone. I am Bipin, social work student of RJNOID. I am going to present about one of the worldwide NGO for youth. It is named as Restless Development. Everyone knows youth are inevitable in our world. Today there are 1.2 billion young people aged 50 to 24 years, accounting for 60% of the global population. The active engagement of youth in sustainable development efforts is central to achieving sustainable, inclusive and stable societies. The broad threats and challenges to sustainable development, including impacts of climate change, unemployment, poverty, gender inequality, conflict and migration. Everyone knows that in our world so much problems among the youth. Basically, the main thing to establish the restless development is they are addressing the problems of youth and they are working for the empowerment of youth. Restless Development in India has been working with partners from government to business to support young people and their communities for over 30 years. They formed in 1985 and have been working with young people ever since. They are train and support young people to lead, and they are currently have focusing securing brighter futures for young women and girls. 1 lakh, more than 1 lakh young volunteers and change makers directly engaged with through integrated programs, and more than 3 lakh community members reached through outreach and sessions on child marriages, menstrual health and management, and gender and livelihood. They are support young people to create change their communities, and more than ever the world needs young people's leadership to solve it is the great challenges. The main vision of restless development for 2030 is that young people everywhere are able to demand and deliver a just and sustainable world. Their main mission is to change that by supporting young people to be leaders. This includes working with young people to identify problems and work on solutions in their communities, and it also includes supporting young people to advocate and long-lasting change that gets to the root causes of issues like youth employment and climate change, like that. They are working with young people in 74 countries around the world, and they are led 9 hubs and spread across Africa, Asia, USA and UK. The impact of restless development in young people, they are trained to create lasting change around the world, and 92% of young people they are trained in business skills in Tanzania for found employment, and 81% of peoples in 200 schools in Nepal took action to stop gender-based violence, and 85% of women they are trained in Sierra Leone joined a sustainable saving group. And the main strategies which is used restless development is they are work with young people ultimate goals. It incorporate with that they are working communities will guided by 4 goals set out by young people without which no other change can truly be achieved. They are summarize the goals: a voice, a living, sexual rights and leadership. Next is champion a new model for change. A new restless model will provide an integrated framework for transformative change and design and led young people. It will give youth-led organization around the world and a recipe for a new kind of development driven by the people and their communities. Third one is build a new type of global agency. They will change Restless Development into a global agency of experts hub across the world. The hubs will be throughout leaders driving our strategy and innovation, not over the way of around. Next is become a bigger than the sum of their parts. It incorporates that they will launch a youth collective and enabling young people and the organization to use the model of together and through platform cohesions and labs. This will create a momentum for change way beyond anything Restless Development can achieve alone. The main three Restless Development model is deliver, inform, and influence. Deliver incorporate that where young people directly improves lives through community engagement and mobilization with youth leadership at the head of all interventions. Inform included that where young people create and share evidence and understanding of their real life experience of communities where young people live and work. They act as a knowledge of bridge between communities and the institution that serve global development. Influence included that where young people change the cultural norms, policies, and systems that affect people's lives, driving accountability and from the center to government and aid agencies. The main project and activity of Restless Development that incorporate that community development project. This project aims at empowering women, men, and young people living in rural communities to become agents for their own development and make sustainable progress in overcoming hunger and poverty. Next is Youth Power at COP26. Restless Development and their partner Lightful are supporting 5 young climate activities and across the world who are heading to Glasgow to bring us many youth voice into COP26 as possible. Next is GREAT. GREAT is it incorporates that improving sexual and reproductive health and HIV and nutrition among the adolescents, girls and boys in Sangania and Mabia regions. Adolescents aged 10 to 20 years old makes 23% of Tanzanian population. This age group has immense potential to contribute to the development to the country. Next project is Upshift. Upshift empowers young people to identify challenges in their communities and create an entrepreneurial solution to address them. Next is civism. It will strengthen civil society organization for the promotion of a safe and secure environment for the children and young people. Next one is 03. 03 strengthens the implementation of the comprehensive sexuality education as well as improving the outcomes and sexual reproductive health and rights and education for adolescents. Next is Young People for COVID-19 Governance. The youth participation of COVID-19 governance is a youth-led accountability and governance project that facilitates dialogue between government and local authorities in young citizens. Many activities and projects included in this organization, like UN World Development Data Forum and Karim Story, a Feminist Action Lab, growing their international power, young people was climate change, parliaments and the power of young people, a call to action, and restless experts offer, climate change was youth aspirations. A lot of programs incorporated in this organization. Their restless is a blog for young people to have their say on the issues that matter to them, and they are committed to providing an open and inclusive platform. The platform is funded and operated entirely by the Restless Development Department. And Restless Development support young people to demand and deliver just a sustainable world for all. It works to make sure young people have a voice, living and sexual rights, and our leaders are preventing and solving the world's challenges. Then listen to young people. Their works is led by young people, and together they help young people make lasting change of their communities and countries. Ultimately, this NGO promote and ensuring the empowerment of youth around the world. Every year, they train, mentor, nurture, and connect thousands of young people to lead change. Some are social entrepreneurs setting up business to provide their families and create jobs. Others are youth advocates campaigning on issues like gender equality, climate justice, HIV, and many others. Ultimately, Restless Development supports the journey of young person to become a leader and helps them multiply that leadership in their communities and around the world. This is all about Restless Development, and thank you for our active listening. I am signing out. Thank you.